It starts with a simple question: what do you want to do with your life? For many, the answer lies behind these doors. Signing that contract is more than just a job application. It is the moment your journey into the U.S. Army truly begins. The transition is sudden. You arrive at the reception battalion, and suddenly the life you knew feels very far away. One of the first milestones is the haircut. It's a rite of passage, stripping away the individual to build the soldier. When you put on that OCP uniform for the first time, you start to see a different version of yourself looking back. Basic combat training is where the foundation is laid. It begins at 5 a.m. long before the rest of the world is awake. The sergeant is there to push you past what you thought were your limits. Every shout is designed to build your resilience. The high rope course isn't just about physical strength, it's about conquering fear and trusting your training. You learn to fight. Modern Army combatives teach you how to protect yourself and your teammates in close quarters. Then comes the weapons range. Discipline and focus are the keys to mastering your rifle. The gas chamber is a test of mental fortitude. It's uncomfortable, but it proves you can handle the most difficult environments. At night, the barracks become a place of brotherhood. This is where you bond over the day's challenges. Transitioning to active duty means more responsibility. Now you're a specialist and the routine becomes your professional life. Reveille marks the start of the duty day. Seeing the unit in formation is a reminder of the scale of the Army. Specialized training is constant. Whether it's logistics or technology, every soldier has a vital role to play. Tactical field exercises keep your skills sharp. We use the latest tech, from drones to night vision, to stay ahead. Lunch at the dining facility is a time to recharge. It's a melting pot of people from every walk of life. Maintenance is a big part of the job. You have to ensure your equipment is as ready for the mission as you are. Physical fitness doesn't end with PT. Soldiers spend their free time in high-end gyms to stay in peak condition. Downtime is essential. Playing games and relaxing with friends helps you decompress after a long week of training. Missing home is part of the experience. Technology makes the distance feel a little shorter when you see your family's faces. On the weekends, life on base feels like a small town, with shopping and coffee shops just a short walk away. But the mission can change in an instant. When the call comes, the tone shifts from routine to readiness. Deployment is the ultimate test. You pack your life into a rucksack and step into the unknown with your team. Out there, communication and vigilance are everything. Every step you take is about protecting the person next to you. It's not just about combat, it's about help. Providing aid to local communities is a core part of the mission. The rewards come in the form of growth. Every promotion represents the trust your leaders have in your abilities. Being a soldier is more than a job. It's a path built on commitment, duty, and honor. What path will you choose?